प्रिय भाई और भौणी माने नमस्कार। ओडिशा दिवस अवसर रे आपण मानकु समस्तंकु मोर शुभेच्छा जनाउछि। स्वतंत्र ओडिशा पाई आमर बहुत दिनर स्वप्न आजिर दिन रे साकार होइथिला। यह सबु ओडियांको पाई गर्व और गौरव दिन। यही पवित्र अवसर रे आमर बड़ पुत्र मानक प्रति मोर श्रद्धांजलि अर्पण करुछि। स्वतंत्र और समृद्ध ओडिशा पाई काम करी जाइथिबा बड़ पुत्र मानक मार्गदर्शन रे ओडिशा आज आगक बढ़िछि। महान जननायक बीज बाबू चाहुथिले एक सशक्त ओडिशा। से दिगरे मेट्रो रेल प्रोजेक्ट एक बहुत बड़ पदक्षेप होई पारिछि। यही रूपांतरण कार्यक्रम एक सशक्त नुआ ओडिशा पाई भित्ति पकाइला। True to the vision of the architects of modern Odisha, the state has seen rapid strides in development and emerged as a role model in many fields. Odisha is on the path of resurgence in many fields. Our people have also excelled in multiple fields and made their mark across the world. Odisha, synonymous with a rich cultural heritage, is today also known for good governance, people-centric administration, inclusivity, disaster management, women's empowerment, sporting excellence, world-class skilling programs, high socio-economic indicators, great infrastructure, and so on. Odisha is on the cusp of deep transformative change. On this momentous occasion, I am pleased to announce the metro train project connecting Cuttack, Bhubaneswar, Puri, and Khordha. The project has been studied by various stakeholders and feasibility reports prepared. In the first phase, we will create the metro trunk route from Trisulia near Cuttack to Biju Patnaik International Airport in Bhubaneswar. The route will tentatively touch major landmarks such as Nandankanan, Patia, Bani Behar, railway station, and so on. As the project is starting from near Subhar Bose Setu, it will enable the commuters from Cuttack to access important locations in Bhubaneswar. In later phases, the metro will expand to Khordha and Puri. I have asked Housing and Urban Development Department to complete the DPR on a war footing. The project will be predominantly based on elevated corridors and will be entirely funded by the state government. We have always strived to push boundaries and improve the lives of our people. And today, with the announcement of this new project, we are taking another steps towards a new Odisha to provide best-in-class metro services to the people of the state. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, it will not only offer world-class, environment-friendly urban transport for an emerging and aspirational Odisha, but also spur economic activities and accelerate expansion of our urban city cluster covering Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Puri, and Khordha. The emergence of a modern and planned city cluster will attract people, investments, trade, and tourism like never before. This will be a truly transformational project implemented using the principles of 5T. This is the new Odisha we are aspiring to create as our humble tribute to the people and the creators of our beloved state of Odisha. Bande Utkal Janani.